guys. Sunday, May, don't care. It's a nice morning. I'm going to take Rain out for a little run this morning. Maybe have a cup of tea on the trail. But we've had rain now for the last 3-4 days, and she's filthy. They're all filthy. So I got to get a nice day now and clean them all up. But yeah, time's come to get them out on the trail, get them riding. Hey buddy, you're up. Dirty you are. What are you having for breakfast this morning? Levi. There's a new addition to the clan. This is Levi, a registered quarter horse. He'll be 3 mid-July, so he's ready to start his training. Nice boy, nice temperament. He was actually born in California. Got some good bloodlines, and shipped all the way across here. So he's a nice horse. on the trail now to my log cabin. It's the first time I've been in here since the snow. It's been gone. Still, the trail's muddy yet, though. She's slipping all over the place. Lots of moose sign around. There we go. Looks good. Come on. There. What do you think, Rain? Hey. Come on. Ooh. There we go. Come back now this week and have a good look. Whoa. Stand. Got this area here. I got to figure out now where to make a little paddock for the horses. When I come down overnight, probably a little bit of a clearing up right here. Guys, we're out here again today for another ride, and we have Levi and Brittany. So he's just training today, so the first few rides I usually just pony him just to get him used to the trail and following this horse. But he's doing really well. Come on. Yeah, he's a good boy. Very quiet horse. I got Reese today, a different horse. Back on the trail to the cabin. Oh, he's listening very well, doing really good. He's a nice young horse, that is. Well, the other day I said I was going to have a cup of tea on the trail. But I got up on the trail and I realized I dropped this little phone. or camera. So I spent the next hour or so searching for the GoPro. I didn't find it, so I had to come back home and get the side-by-side and go back have a good look. Eventually found it, so out here again today now to finish the video off. And do some training with the young horse, Levi. Come on, Levi. Oh. Oh. Well, little boy don't want to come up the hill. I might have to go rescue him. Come on, Levi. Come on, buddy. Oh. Yeah, he's doing good. It's amazing. Second time in the saddle. Crazy. Good boy. Now we're just getting back from our ride. We did well. Give them a carrot and put them back in. Pretty good today, I must say. Still filthy, dirty. She's good or she is. There, Levi. Have a carrot, buddy. Good boy. Give him a carrot. You did such a good job. Another one, do you, Reese? Hey. Another one? You got your sign knocked off. Look. Anyway, let's put them back in. Enjoy the video. Not real long, only a short one, but there will be more. Right, Nevaeh? Hey, hey. Hey, buddy. She's an American miniature, registered miniature. You're all dirty again. Back on.